Hi guys, it's me, Mistercatcat, and today I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted to make terrain generation like this in Scratch, but you think it's too hard? Well, I got a solution for you. Today I will be teaching you how to make terrain generation in Scratch. Super simple. So let's get started. So I prepared this sprite for us to use, which has the costumes you will need. You can borrow it for another project which you saw in the intro. Alright, so first, one green sorry about that. So when green flag clicked, we're going to set the position to. You can make it what you ever want, but I'm going to set it just like this. So now we're going to make sure the costume is the first one, and then repeat. Yeah, let's do it 10 times for now. We are going to create a clone and move 40 steps. 40 steps works for me. You can put in whatever number you want. So, let's test. As you can see, we've made this, which is pretty good if you ask me. But this needs to be repeated more than 10 times, like this much. Yeah. And also, if you were wondering why I could break blocks by hovering over them like this, that's just a bit of code I forgot to remove. But anyways, let's set this to something like 12. And yeah, that's better. But there is a problem. This thing here, that should not be there. So how do we remove it? We added a hide block and also the show block right here. So now that does not happen. So we're safe from that bug. And we're going to add the terrain generation so it's bigger. Like all of that will be filled. So first repeat 5 times. So like this. And now we're going to set the X position only. So set the X to, for me that's going to be minus 145. So I'm just going to type minus 145, and there we go. So now we're going to change Y by, for me it works minus 40, but you can put any number you want. And I'm going to make sure to switch the costume to costume 2, just like this. And begin another 12-time repeat block. Just like this. So now we're just going to copy that and put it right there. And wait, oh yes, sorry. We're going to remove that and put it here. So now it should work. Test, and it works. Ta-da! Simple terrain generation. So I'm going to go over what we did. So when green flag clicked, we showed the sprite, set its position, switch costume to costume 1, repeated 12 times to create a clone of itself and move 40 steps. Then we're going to repeat 5 times, as we already did. We're going to set the X position and change y by minus whatever number you put. Then we're going to switch costume to costume 2, repeat it 12 times to create a clone of itself, and move 40 steps. And then we hide it. So there you go. Simple but effective terrain generation. So I hope you learned something today and enjoyed today's video. So, kitty cat, bye!